Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Kibran sa Dimaporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte. And I would like to congratulate and say thank you for the safe return and the very successful relief operations under Operation Tabang ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte on the northern part of Cebu Province. I'd like to thank our departments. Special shout out to PEO, PSWDO, the Agricultural Office, our PDR, our PCSU, and our admin for leading our teams to go to Cebu and help our kababayans there who are in need of assistance. I'd like to also acknowledge our team of doctors and nurses that went with Operation Tabang and operated our mobile clinic so we can see it being utilized in badly devastated areas. The team of Lanao del Norte were able to bring mga food packs, sardines, canned goods, beef loaf, mga sacks of rice, bigas. We were able to give boxes of water, and also yung mga jerry cans, mga water containers. We were also, with our doctors and nurses, able to conduct medical missions, provide and distribute essential medicines to those that are in need there in those three areas. And with our PSWDO, we are able to conduct mga psychosocial services. I'd like to also acknowledge the contribution of GN Power, our coal power plant here operating in Lanao del Norte, for providing us 1,000 bags of cement to distribute to the different LGUs so they can use it in the rebuilding of the respective municipality and cities. On the part of the province of Lanao del Norte, I'd like to thank again the team that went there. Kami naman sa Kapitolyo, we always have to have a posture na to be ready to help in areas who are badly hurt. It's just should be in our nature na kung may kailangan ng tulong sa mga kababayan namin, we should have a team ready to be deployed and help in those badly devastated areas. Secondly, also this provides us with experience. Should anything bad happen to the province of Lanao del Norte, our team should always be ready to respond and also be armed with the experience needed to deploy to badly hit areas. So that also means that we're prepared should disaster strike in our province. God forbid that would ever happen. From the bottom of my heart, to those that went out on Operation Tabang, and to GN Power who provided us with 1,000 sacks of cement, daghan salamat sa iyong pagsuporta.